wondered why your Windows 11 PC feels slow even when it has good hardware? What if I told you that there's a hidden Windows features that can make your PC super fast? And most people don't even know about it. Windows offers a variety of customization and optimization options, but navigating through different menus, settings, and command line tools can be overwhelming. This is where WinToys comes in, an all-in-one utility that simplifies system management, performance tuning, and personalization. Today, I will show you how to use WinToys, an all-in-one tool to speed up, tweak, and optimize Windows 11 like never before. Stick around, because I will also share some secret settings to make your PC faster and more efficient. First, open Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Search for WinToys and click Install. Once installed, launch the app from the Start menu. Keeping track of your system's performance is crucial for maintaining efficiency. WinToys provides a detailed overview of your hardware and software performance directly from the Home tab. Check specifications like RAM, GPU, and processor type with real-time monitoring. View CPU, GPU, and memory usage at a glance. One missing feature is GPU and CPU temperature tracking, but the existing tools provide valuable insights. Without WinToys, managing apps requires multiple steps: Task Manager to close apps, settings to uninstall, and browser to look up app details. WinToys streamlines this process under the Apps tab. View all install applications color-coded for Microsoft and third-party apps. Uninstall, repair, or stop apps quickly using a simple three-dot menu. Filter apps by category, size, or alphabetical order for better organization. Windows runs many background processes that can slow down your computer instead of manually tweaking settings. WinToys lets you optimize performance through the Boost tab. Disable unnecessary startup apps to speed up boot time. Enhance gaming performance by enabling game mode and the ultimate performance plan. Running out of storage can be frustrating. WinToys simplifies disk cleanup and file management in the Health tab. Enable storage sense to automatically free up space. Next, click on Cleanup option. The Cleanup option in WinToys removes junk files, temporary data, and system cache, freeing up storage space and boosting performance. It helps prevent slowdowns, improve responsiveness, and keeps Windows 11 running smoothly. Use it regularly for faster and clutter-free PC. Delete old restore points, but remember to create a new one for safety. Changing Windows appearance usually involves navigating deep into settings. With WinToys, you can quickly modify your desktop from the Tweaks tab. Hide the recycle bin for a cleaner desktop. Then go to System. Add seconds to the taskbar clock. Then again go to Desktop. Enable the classic right-click menu for a familiar experience. When system errors occur, you typically need to run sfc, chkdsk, or dism through command prompt. WinToys eliminates the need for manual commands. Open the Health tab and select Repair. Choose multiple tools at once, and WinToys will run them automatically. This allows you to step away while your system fixes itself. And there you have it. Here is the result. Windows displays ads in tips, suggestions, and recommendations, which can be distracting. WinToys gives you control over them. Open the Tweaks tab and go to Ad Settings. Decide how Windows should display promotional content. Windows services run in the background and can sometimes cause issues. Normally, adjusting them requires editing the registry, but WinToys make it easier. Open the Services tab to view all running services. Filter services by status. Stop or restart services with a single click. Maximize your Windows experience with WinToys. WinToys is an essential tool for troubleshooting, optimizing performance, and personalizing Windows. It eliminates the need for complex commands and manual settings, making system management effortless. Best of all, it's completely free, so why not give it a try? So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.